Welcome to our full home renovation in Etobicoke. Let's take a look at scope of work. Fully renovated 3 bathrooms. We have also done custom stairs to match the flooring. Shaker-style doors with black hardware. We've installed white oak engineered hardwood. And of course, custom MDF kitchen with white oak island, quartz countertop, and brand new appliances. Poplar baseboard and door casing. Additionally, we've upgraded all the light fixtures and installed dozens of pot lights across the house. Finally, this beautiful property was professionally painted both on the interior and the exterior. If you need a high-quality renovation with in-house contractors, give me a call.